Today is a remarkable day for all of us, especially the Kelma villagers, consisting of Kuki communities and Jiliang communities. Itu taikan joint council kurubo na kurubo kene wala para itu almost 25 years ini ka tazul takise. Pahili bi amikan itu CSOs led by our Jiliang Baudi, NZPO, Kuki Inpi, and Landowners Forum consisting of 4 villages, Besumpu, Jalukye, Peren Inkyau, amikan aji ahise. Aji ahala matlab to amikan 9th of March 2024 te DC laga chamber te amikan ekta consensus decision loise with all the stakeholders, including the aforementioned CSOs and the Kuki villages under Peren district. So amikan yate ahigene. Actually, it started because of the payment of Rampo. While we, in continuation with that, yate takan laga Jiliang community laga, Kuki community laga, Kelma de yate hobo tana tani hoa karne amikan itu aji laga specific visit to ele boundary laga bo karne ase. Itu karne aji amikan 9 baji pra taki ne etia 2 baji hoise hola. Today is 26 April 2024 na. 2 baji so hola. While we after brainstorming session with open heart and understanding mind, amikan kuri ne etia Kelma Kuki kan koati bi nohobo, Jiliang Rong community koati bi nohobo, mojotte amikan yate boundary dibole ase. To itu tu amikan tate pra aile tu Peren pra aile tu itu Kelma busi pra ini ka aile tu left right side te ase. Right side te itu entry point tu lane number 6 na. Lane number 6 te amikan yate boundary hobo. To itu lane number 6 is adjoining one Kuki residence by the name Lalkutong na. So yate pra jagna yate approach road ase jabo to Lalkutong is again bordering the sub center health sub center of Kelma. So yate pra amikan boundary jagna idu GPS map logena ase idu approach road pra jagna down jabo down ja time te GPS map kiman idu GPS map te cover kore ase health center tate improve hobo. So enika jai takele approach road oro lane 5 hobo la itu lane 5 te touch hobo. Itu lane 5 te touch hoile tate aro ekta small sim takibo. Itu duijon Gemini bi ase ekta Kuki James aro ekta Jiliang Azin eta indum clear ase. To enika jai takina aro left wale jaile tu ekta kun laga ase ba
Jela
Jiliang ase tu wale tu ekta Kuki toilal na sai ase. To olibi tate Rianglak pra itu ring well kundi dise. Itu kane ring well pra 10 feet jaigene tate pra rasta banaibo. Olibi siamna banai lobo. De tate siamna banalo tu utu toilal pra lobo dibi olibi busi pra lobo dibi to that is your concern na. To tate pra jaine aro approach road ekta pabo. To tate approach road hoa pa piche te ekta Jiliang ki naam asile ading
Kupchung
aro Kupchung Kuki takibo. Tata tajunla mojotibi ekdom clear semana ase. To tate pra jai gane tate ekta chotto nala pabo. Nala la naam tu ki ase Ramchang Kuikong Tuiko. Tate ending hobo de. So itu officially he is the chairman of Kelma village Tongjen. Wali bi dagan internally arrange kore tai pra HGB hoise. To ami kan laga ita chairman bi ase. Itu sob stakeholders aro kokai aribo very important person sob ase. So itu kane ami tu land owners forum laga convener ase Dr. Nangke. So with good intention we came here to settle the long pending issue so that our brothers live in peace. They coexist peacefully. That is our united desire. So itu ase de. So itu kane morom pra apni dijon your eldest NZPO laga Jiliang community represent koribi. Apni Kuki vice president ase Sela please put the boundary stone. And Jiliang Baudi Andrew Disong. He is the general secretary, authorized person of today's meeting. There,
ওখানে Jiliang থাকিব নিচে ফেলে উপর ফেলে Kuki থাকিব নিচে ফেলে Jiliang থাকিব
হয় এইটো আছে
তবে চলব
so please do it yes thank you clap your hands thank you okay now we'll go to the council hall again we'll draft out and read again all this and then we'll sign it okay thank you so much